Yo, what up, guys? Quick and easy one for you. If you want live TV, on demand, movies, you name it, we got it. You can't find it on your Firestick. This is how you do it. First things first, you're going to want to download the app called Downloader right here. Once you do that, we need to jailbreak a Firestick. Under the search icon, just download Downloader. Super quick. Then we can go to our settings under My Fire TV. Come on down to developer options. Turn on ADB debugging and install unknown apps. Make sure downloader is on. Go back home. Guys, make sure you protect yourself. Always wear protection, right? I would highly suggest downloading NordVPN. Turning this bad boy on. There's a link in the description below. And you can make yourself wherever you want. Click on US and away we go. Now, as you can tell, I already have Zumo here. Click download, and in the URL box, quick link straight to the Zumo page. 635891 and push go. I'll have a 5-second little redirect here. If you want, we can always, once it's there, on the remote, click the little hamburger button and you can save this to your favorites, and then you can check out all the other cool apps that are available. And we can just push save and booyah. Okay guys, once we're in here, direct from Zoom, like I just said, hit the QR code. This is up on your TV, guys. Take a shot of this. It'll give you 65% off, 63% off, 70% off. Who knows what it's going to be today. Now, as you can tell, we have an Android device, so this will work on your tablets, on your phones, regular Android TVs, or you can get the Amazon device version, which is what we have right here, the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Quick 17 meg download. Once it's done, it's going to want us to install. So we'll click install and then click done. Let's not open it yet because we want to delete this APK file. Delete, and we're good. Now remember, check out all the other awesome apps that you can get for your Fire TV Stick here. And Zumo TV is downloaded, and if you don't see it in the top bar, we can click the little 4 squares plus sign, and as you can tell, look at this, we got Zumo TV. I got it on here twice now, and you can move it or move it to the front. Boom, and move it to your front, and you can do the same with everything else. We can open up Zumo Play or Zumo TV. And check out all this live TV, movies on demand, and TV shows. Watch free shows, check out the best in action, drama, comedy, and more. Watch free movies featuring action, drama, comedy, hits, and more. The Live Guy, watch live programming, find out what's on now from 190 networks. And then the next networks, explore it all. Choose from hundreds of movies and TV shows. Well, guys, check it out. Enjoy it. Take it easy. Peace. Welcome to the part of the show that doesn't really exist. I hope you're all doing well. Hope everyone's coming into summer. We're May 2023 right now. If you have any requests, please let me know. Go to my Rumble channel. It is in the description below. And all is good on this side. Keep the comments coming, guys. I love them, whether you hate me or not. Whatever, good, bad, ugly. And I'll keep trying to help out where I can. All right, take it easy. Peace.